Hi everyone, let's see Cannizzaro reaction which is shown by carbonyl compounds which do not have alpha hydrogen like formaldehyde, benzaldehyde, etc. In this reaction, the benzaldehyde in the presence of concentrated NaOH or KOH undergoes oxidation and reduction, and that is why the reaction is known as disproportionation reaction. And salt or carboxylate salt is oxidized product and alcohol is the reduced product. In the mechanism, in step 1, OH minus from the base will attack on the carbonyl carbon and we'll get an adduct. Pi bond will be broken and we'll get an adduct like this. So if you see the product which is formed here will have will have two hydrogen and one O minus and one OH group. If it loses H minus and form carbon with a positive charge, so it can form carboxylate, and we know that carboxylate is highly stable, so it will release hydride and will form acid. Since base is present, so this acid will form salt. Now this hydride will attack on another molecule of aldehyde group and it will form CH3O minus, which will take up H plus from water and will form alcohol, which is the reduced product, and this carboxylate is the oxidized product. This is the Cannizzaro reaction. Let's see some reaction from NCERT textbook. So there are some compounds and we have to see that if they have alpha hydrogen they will show aldol. If they do not have alpha hydrogen they'll show Cannizzaro. So methanol does not have alpha hydrogen. This is the case which we have already discussed. Second, 2-methyl pentanol, and then benzaldehyde will also show Cannizzaro. Next case, fifth is cyclohexanone. It has 4 alpha hydrogens, so it will show aldol. Phenyl propanone, you can see it has 5 alpha hydrogens, so it will show aldol reaction. Next is phenyl acetaldehyde. Phenyl acetaldehyde again has 2 alpha hydrogen. You can see its structure, so it will also show aldol. It will not show aldehyde. Butanol, it is an alcohol. Alcohol neither shows aldol or Cannizzaro reaction, right? So no aldol, no Cannizzaro, and the last one is 2,2-dimethyl butanol. I draw the structure, you can see no alpha hydrogen, so it will not show aldol, but it will show Cannizzaro reaction. This next question is very important. These type of questions are asked in board exam every year. So here we have to identify the compound. First it says that it forms 2,4-DNP derivative. It means it can either be aldehyde or ketone. Second, it says it reduces tolerance. It means it is not aldehyde. It is only it is an aldehyde, not ketone. So we have to form a compound which can oxidize to benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid. So one will be aldehyde, and for the other group, we have to see that how many carbon atoms and hydrogens are left. So 1 carbon and 5 hydrogen are left, so probably it is ethyl. Next question is from exemplar. Not given by means it should not have have no alpha hydrogen to show. So first 3 will show Cannizzaro, fourth one will not show. Seventh, CHO will oxidize to carboxylate and reduce to alcohol. So second is the correct option. In third, we can see extra OK group is there. So this won't be the case. Here, this is the last one. Thank you.